Okay, so what I'm going to do today is I'm going to replace the screen on my Lenovo T460 in the box here. I've got a brand new screen from laptoplcdscreen.co.uk. So let's get into it. You can see over here I've already partially dismantled my laptop. Here is the old faulty screen that I took out the other day. I've taken the battery out and I've taken the bezels off. You can loads of videos on YouTube how to have the bezel off. It's just sort of held on with a couple of screws and some glue. Anyway, so let's open up the box. Here we have the new screen. So let's get the box out of the way. Okay, so let's give ourselves some space. There. First thing I'm going to do is going to open this up. So this is pretty straightforward. Here's the 30-pin connector. So that's the tricky bit. So let's open up this guy. Right, so there's the connector. So I'll keep the sponge on it while I connect the connector. And so this, I believe, is the tricky bit. So on here, it sort of slides in this way around, so you kind of push the connector underneath. It's a bit fiddly, like this. Push it in. It's got this middle metal clip on it. Let's try and give it a... That's it. Nearly there. A bit more. Right, it's clipped in. Push this thing down so it snaps in place. Good, so that's in. Then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the screen back up and just loosely position it over the holes. There's some plastic pegs here and here that sort of help hold it in place when you're doing this. That's it. Let's get these in. Okay, I'm going to put some screws in now to just position this, and then we'll turn it on, check it's working. So you've got 4 screws. Let's put these in. There's number 1. There's number 2. Oops, a bit fiddly. Come on. Come on, screw. That's it. Where's that one gone? There it is. This is the fiddly bit, getting these screws in. Let's try going. That's better. And there's 2, number 3 coming up. And the last one. Okay, so that's all screwed in. So what we're going to do is, before we get too carried away, we'll just do a little test. Just make sure these are tight, not too tight. There we go. Okay, let's check this works. So get my battery. Put that in there. If life is good, we should be up and running. Let's give it a go. Lights come on. Okay, there's the Lenovo screen. There's my Windows screen. So it looks like we're in business here. There we go. There's a log on screen. All working. Fantastic.